Ever wondered how to find the best dividend-paying stocks? Well, let's start by understanding what they are. Dividend-paying stocks are shares in a company that pays out a portion of its earnings to shareholders. This payment, known as a dividend, is a way for companies to distribute their profits back to the people who invested in them. Now, why are these types of stocks important? There are a couple of key reasons. Firstly, dividend-paying stocks can help generate passive income. That's money that you earn without having to lift a finger. Pretty cool, right? Secondly, they can add stability to your investment portfolio. Even when the market is in a downturn, companies with a solid track record of paying dividends can provide a steady stream of income. So, dividends are more than just a nice bonus. They're a strategic part of smart investing. Finding the best dividend-paying stocks might seem daunting, but it's easier than you think. So, what does one need to consider when searching for the best dividend-paying stocks? Well, the first thing to look at is the dividend yield. This is the percentage of a company's market price that is paid to shareholders in dividends. It gives you a good idea of the income you can expect to receive relative to the price you'll pay for the stock. Next up is the payout ratio. This is the proportion of earnings a company pays to its shareholders in dividends. A lower payout ratio could mean the company has room to increase its dividends in the future. However, a high payout ratio might indicate the company is returning most of its earnings to shareholders, leaving less for reinvestment or to buffer against future uncertainties. Finally, consider the company's history of dividend payments. Consistency is key here. Companies that have a strong track record of maintaining or increasing their dividends are generally a safer bet. Understanding these factors will help you make a more informed decision when choosing dividend-paying stocks. Now that we know what to look for, how do we go about finding these stocks? Well, let's dive into the research process. The first step is to utilize financial news websites. These are your treasure troves of information, offering insights into market trends, industry developments, and specific company news. They can give you a heads up about which companies are increasing their dividends or are consistently paying them out. So, keep your eyes peeled and your mouse scrolling. Now onto the second step, which involves using stock screening tools. These are like your personal financial detectives, helping you filter out stocks based on your specific criteria. You could set your detective on the task of finding stocks with a high dividend yield, or maybe you're after companies with a long history of dividend payments. Whatever your preference, these tools can help you sort through the haystack to find your golden needle. The third step gets a bit technical, but it's crucial. It's time to roll up your sleeves and dive into company financial reports. These reports are the tell-all books of the corporate world, revealing a company's profitability, its debt levels, and of course, its ability to pay dividends. Look for companies with strong earnings and low debt levels, as they are more likely to pay consistent dividends. But don't just stop at one report. Consistency is key here. A company's past performance can give you a good indication of its future behavior. So, take a look at several years' worth of reports if possible. This will give you a clearer picture of its dividend payment history and the sustainability of those payments. So there you have it. A step-by-step guide to researching dividend-paying stocks. It's a process that requires a good dose of patience, a dash of diligence, and a sprinkle of savvy. But remember, the best investment you can make is an investment in knowledge. And with this knowledge, you're well on your way to finding those lucrative dividend-paying stocks. With the right tools and some dedication, you'll soon be able to identify potential dividend-paying stocks. Let's quickly recap what we've covered today. We've delved deep into the world of dividend-paying stocks, highlighting their benefits. These stocks provide a steady source of income, thereby offering a safety net in volatile markets. We've also emphasized the importance of key factors to consider when choosing these stocks. Remember, a company's dividend payout ratio, its debt level, and the consistency of its dividend payments are all crucial aspects to examine. Then, we took you through the research process. We stressed the importance of conducting a thorough analysis of a company's financial health, its industry position, and its future growth prospects. In essence, the journey to finding the best dividend-paying stocks involves meticulous research and careful consideration of key financial indicators. But the rewards are worth the effort. Finding the best dividend-paying stocks is a skill that can be mastered with time and practice. So start your research today and watch your portfolio grow.